Vlogmas day. What's the date today? The 8th?
Let's see if this works. What?
It's the 8th today.
Yeah, we do.
Hey, it's Vlogmas day 8. I have the hiccups, and I have had them for the last 2 days. But I did my nails. Put some candy canes on the tree, and there's three ornaments that are colored. The John one, the daughter snowman, and my ballerina. I have so many ballerinas, but they're glass, and he will break them. So they also have this one, and it's like iridescent. That's so pretty. And this is hanging up. And yeah, beautiful. I'm just talking to my friends right now. I had some dinner. I don't feel good. I'm gonna go lay down.
I don't feel like that.
Catch him biting me on camera, that'd be funny. You
Is there
eating?
bags in there? Oh, he walked on it, made noise.
Oh yeah. Bye, Mark. Bye. See ya. Hey guys, also really cool, interesting, awesome, amazing fact about today is it's the beginning of my, wow, my hair looks really bad. It's the beginning of my birthday week. I turn 18. It's my 18th birthday week. I will start crying because I still refuse to believe that I'm 18 years old. That's insane. Who's playing the trick? Hey guys. I already showed them. Fine, I'll cut that out. Just drinking some root beer. And going good night. Sleep well.